Hello. Part one of this video is going to show how to create a static IP address and set up 10 users with non-administrative privileges. Of course, I'm working with Fedora 32 Server Edition, as you can see right there. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna log in, and then my password that I created. Okay. All right, I'm in. All right, so how to set up my static IP address. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to use a command that's called nmcli. Right, I'm going to connection show, and this shows the connection that I have for my interface. Okay, and as you can see, the name is ETH0. It even gives the ID. The type is Ethernet, and the device is ETH0. Right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the UUID to actually set up the static IP address. Right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in nmcli connection modify. I want to type in the UUID. So A2 B7 DA 99-6367 3533 921 921 E dash, and then 007 ADA 1809 40. All right, I notice I got a space there. I shouldn't have a space right here, but all right. So now once I do that, space, I'm gonna go IP v4 dot address. Okay, 172.17.100.87. okay, /28. Right, that's good. So I set the IPv4 address. Now I'm going to set the gateway. So I do the same command, but this time I type in gateway. And 172.17.100.81. Right, that's good. Now I do the same thing, but this time instead of saying gateway, okay, I need to say DNS. Okay, and now this time, now what I have to do is I have to specify the method. So this time I type in method, and this time I type manual. Manual as in static. Enter. Now the next thing for us to do is to actually shut down the connection and then re-up the connection. So to do that, I'm going to type same command. This time I will type connection down, utilizing a UUID. Enter. All right, and now successfully it's down. Now I got to bring it back up. Okay, so to bring it back up, type up, and boom. Now it's up. Okay, so at this point, everything's static at this point in time. Now, to create the 10 users with non-administrative privileges, okay, just type in the command user add, okay, followed by user 1, followed by the user. So here it'll be user 1. All right, it'll be user 1 Then user 2, user 3, user 4, user 5, user 6, user 7, user 8, user 9, user 10. So you can type user add followed by your user. And as you can see, once you do that, right, I've already typed it in, so I'll just ls/home. All right, and as you can see, all the users are up. So we already have 10 users. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So, all right, this video shows you how to set the static IP address, okay, using the nmcli command. All right, and then it shows you how to add users using the user add command. And they have non-administrator privileges by default when you're working with the CLI, command line interface. All right. So this is the end of this video. Part 2 is going to demonstrate how to install and configure the DNS.